Hi there and welcome. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to create a new Symbaloo account, specifically using Symbaloo Personal, the free version, without a web space. We'll cover Symbaloo web spaces in a later video. Just a heads up, web spaces also come in a free version with ads and a paid version with no ads. Let's get started. You'll begin by filling out the necessary information. It's important to agree to Symbaloo's privacy policy and terms and conditions. Optionally, you can also choose to receive updates and news from Symbaloo. Prefer to sign up using social media? That works too. Once you're ready, click on Register Now. Next, Symbaloo will ask how you'd like to begin. You can start with an empty web mix, or use the pre-filled web mixes, which are ready to go. You'll also be able to choose the first web mix that loads when you sign in. In this video, we're going to select the pre-filled web mixes, specifically, Start Default. Then tell Symbaloo how you plan to use it. At home, as a student, in the classroom, or for the office. Make your selection and move forward. You might be prompted to add the Symbaloo browser extension. You can install it now or skip it for later. From here, you can explore the Symbaloo library for inspiration, or you can jump straight into editing your web mix. If you're new to Symbaloo, we recommend following the setup wizard. It shows you how to use the tiles, how to customize the tiles. Show the usage of the Symbaloo search bar. Selecting web mixes from the Web Mix tab. Creating an extra web mix. Customizing your web mix. Sharing it with others. Adjusting your page layout. Navigating between your web mixes. Exploring the Symbaloo library and web spaces. In the end, it shows you a way to find the different steps later on. You can check back and find out how to use certain functionalities. Before continuing, make sure to verify your account. Verification unlocks important features like sharing web mixes, changing your language, updating your password, and more. You should receive a confirmation email shortly. Just click the link inside to complete the process. Once your account is verified, you'll be able to share and publish your web mixes. And that wraps up this part of our Symbaloo introduction. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.